Welcome to my third book critique. My name is Claire Roberts, and today I'll be presenting the two books I chose to read. The first book I chose to read is written by Cynthia Grady and illustrated by Emma Kohiro. The genres of this book are personal narrative and biography. It was awarded the Jefferson Cup Award, and its reading level is set at a 2nd to 4th grade. This book takes place during the time of World War II. This book is about children writing letters to their librarian while they are in prison at internment camps. After the attack at Pearl Harbor, many of the children that went to Clara Breed's library were sent away. Before they were taken, Miss Breed asks the children if they would write her letters. With that request, she also gifts the children many books to take with them. Throughout the years in prison, Miss Breed and the children write letters back and forth about their own experiences and their opinions on the books that she gifted them. One thing I like about this book is how Clara Breed is such a strong character. She is very motherly towards these children that are probably so scared, and she creates friendships with them through the letters. The first lesson I created was a 4th grade English lesson. The standards I related it to was the ISTE standard for empowered learning. Students leverage technology to take active roles in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating capacity in their learning goals by the learning sciences. And the second standard is 4th grade ELA technology integration. Students demonstrate creativity, constructive knowledge, and develop innovative products and by using technology. Okay, so the first lesson that I created was a 4th grade English lesson, and in this, the students will create a storyboard using this website, Storyboard That, and it will take them there, and they'll have to sign in through their Google account. And that is where when they are done reading their book, and they will analyze and choose one event to create a storyboard based on. So this is just my example of what I created. This is Miss Breed in the library reading the letters from the children that are at the prison. So after they are done creating their storyboard, they will then go to Google Classroom and upload it and post it in a PDF form where they will upload their storyboard, include 5 to 8 sentences answering the questions down below, and they will also have to respond to one other fellow classmate and look at their storyboard and just say what they like about it. So here's my post on Google Classroom. The questions are right here, my example is right here, and just the instructions are right here as well. So the questions that they will have to answer are, the first one is, why did you choose this event to create? Looking at your own storyboard creation, does it fully depict the event that took place in the book? The second question is, when creating your storyboard, how did it help you understand the book? So the second lesson plan that I created was a 3rd grade religion lesson, and I related it to the Religion Essential Standard number 6. So this promotes a missionary spirit that prepares the faithful to transform the world. And the section C, Social Action and Transformation. The social teachings of our tradition inspire us to concern and to action aimed at the well-being of all mankind. So for the 3rd grade reading lesson, students will learn about the 7 corporal works of mercy. They will focus on visit the sick and visit them in prison. Instead of actually going in person to visit them, the students will write one letter to either or, so they will have to pick either the sick or the in prison, but I'll make sure that each group of people get a good amount of letters. Students will write a meaningful letter that will give the sick or the in prison hope, check in on them, and share God's love through words. and students will also include their favorite Bible verse at the very end of the letter. The second book that I chose to read is titled Strawberry Girl. This book was written and illustrated by Lois Lanke. The genre of this book is children's literature and fiction, and it was also awarded the Newbery Medal. This book's reading level is also set at a 2nd to 5th grade. This book is about a girl named Birdie Boyer who moved from North Carolina to Florida to grow strawberries with her and her parents. At first, her new neighbors, the Slaters, are very welcoming, but over time they start to be very hateful and almost bullying Birdie and her family and making comments such as move back to North Carolina, and also wishing that their crops will fail and not grow. I did like this book. It's very important that authors include characters of what not to be, and that's something I really liked about it.